I'm Congresswoman Pramila Jayapal, and I'm honored to represent Washington's 7th Congressional District in the House of Representatives, where I also serve as the chair of the Congressional Progressive Caucus. As many of you know, I introduced the Medicare for All Act of 2021 last year. It is the most comprehensive plan to transition to a single-payer, universal healthcare system in our country that finally puts people over profits. And thanks to all of you organizers across the country who have been fighting so hard with us for Medicare for All, we have 120 members of Congress who have signed on as co-sponsors. That is a record number, and it's more than half of the House Democratic Caucus, including 15 powerful committee chairs. The Medicare for All Act is good legislation that isn't just transformative, it's popular too. People deserve comprehensive health care. Mental health, long-term care included for the first time, reproductive care, dental, vision, and hearing, and all of that with no copays, private insurance premiums, deductibles, or other hidden fees that insurance companies just love to sneak in. Now let's be real. Our healthcare system is broken. Nearly 100 million people are uninsured or underinsured in the richest country on earth, and millions of people are drowning in medical debt. The devastating COVID pandemic only underscored that Medicare for All can't wait, as 27 million people lost their health care when they lost their jobs, and Black, Brown, and Indigenous people suffered the worst losses. Last session, I secured the first ever hearings in Congress on this critical legislation. This Congress, we are continuing that important work to build the support inside and outside Congress to make Medicare for All a reality. In fact, just this week, we had a hearing on Medicare for All in the House Oversight Committee, thanks to our champions on that committee. None of this can happen without you. We need you to organize, to get more co-sponsors so that we can pass the legislation through the House. We have to organize like our lives depend on it, because they really do. Here's my commitment to you. We've shown what we can do together, and I'll never stop fighting for this, because it is urgent that we finally guarantee health care to everyone as a human right.